Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper on Flame, a surprisingly small language model designed to revolutionize spreadsheet formula assistance. It's exciting stuff.
Yeah, I saw this one too. 60 million parameters? That's tiny compared to the behemoths we usually see, right? How does it even compete?
That's the amazing part. They cleverly leverage domain-specific knowledge. Instead of training on a massive, general-purpose dataset, they focused exclusively on Excel formulas. Think of it like specializing a general-purpose tool for a very specific job.
So, a niche approach. Makes sense. Less data, less compute, but still powerful. What kind of tasks does it tackle?
They tested it on 3 key areas: formula repair, formula completion, and similarity-based formula retrieval. And get this, in many cases, it outperforms much larger models like Codex and Code 5.
Wow, that's a significant achievement. I'm curious about their training techniques. What makes their approach so effective?
They used some clever techniques. First, they carefully curated their training dataset, using sketch deduplication to avoid redundant information. Then, they developed a specialized tokenizer for Excel formulas, understanding the unique syntax and structure. Finally, they adapted masked span prediction and noisy autoencoding standard pre-training objectives to the specifics of Excel formulas.
So it's not just about the size, but also about the tailored approach. The specialized tokenizer is key, I think. It's like teaching the model the language of spreadsheets from the ground up.
Exactly. And the results speak for themselves. In 10 out of 14 evaluation settings for repair and completion, Flame beat out much larger models. For formula retrieval, it even outperformed Code T5, CodeBERT, and GraphCodeBERT. Impressive!
I see. But doesn't focusing so narrowly limit its applicability? Could it struggle with formulas outside of the Excel ecosystem?
That's a valid point. It's definitely a trade-off. The specialization gives it incredible power within its domain, but it might not generalize as well to other spreadsheet software or programming languages. It's a focused solution, not a universal one.
Right, a focused solution. Still, the efficiency gains are remarkable. This could be a game changer for making powerful AI assistants accessible to a wider range of users.
Absolutely. The smaller size means it's easier to deploy and less expensive to run, making it a practical solution for everyday users. This research really highlights the power of specialized models and targeted training. It's a fantastic example of how domain expertise can lead to significant improvements in performance.
Definitely. Thanks for breaking this down. It's a really interesting development in the field of AI-assisted programming.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.